Hi guys, today I've come up with a beetroot wine recipe. Beetroot wine is the easiest wine you could make and enjoy in 3 days. No special utensils, kit, jar or gadget is needed. If you have a cooker and you know to boil the beetroot, then it is the easiest wine you can make. Can wine get any easier than this? Come, let's check it. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button to get the notification. For this you need 500 gram of beetroot grated. Add it in a cooker. You shall be very precise in the ingredients, otherwise it could spoil your wine. So be careful with the ingredients and take the correct measurements. Now I am adding 6 cardamom. Then Jaivitri you can add 2. Cloves, here I have taken 6 cloves. Cinnamon stick 1 small. Star 1. And now you have to add 1 liter of water. You have to cook this until you get 2 whistles. Mix all the ingredients together. These spices will enhance the taste of the wine. Now close the lid and cook it until you get 2 whistles. After getting 2 whistles, remove from the stove top and allow it to cool completely. It may take around 3 hours. After it's completely cooled, now sieve the beetroot water using a strainer or clean cloth. You can use either washed or new cloth into another pot. Now discard the grated beetroot. You can see I have strained all the water. Now add 400 gram of sugar. Here I have used powdered sugar. You can see the color of the beetroot wine. It's so red and tempting. Now you have to add whole wheat. I was not having whole wheat, so I am using a crushed one. Here I have used 3 tablespoons of crushed wheat. If you are using the whole wheat, then add only 2 tablespoons. You have to be very precise with the ingredients. Now you have to pour into a glass bottle. If you have a wine jar, you can use that. Here I have used 2 Nescoffee jars. You have to fill below the neck of the bottle so the fermenting gases have enough space. Otherwise, it will break your jar. You can see I have divided into equal parts. Now the wheat grain you have to add it into both the bottles equally. Stir it. If you are using one big jar, you have to add half teaspoon of yeast. Here I am dividing it equally into 2 parts as I am using 2 jars. You should be very precise with the amount of yeast you are adding, otherwise it will spoil your wine. So only use half teaspoon. That's enough for fermentation. Mix it properly. You can see this texture. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Now close the lid and leave it into a cool dark place. You have to stir this every day at the same time you're doing it. Right now I'm keeping at 4:30, so the next day at 4:30 I will be stirring it. You can see this is the second day. You can see the fermentation is already been processed. Now I am stirring it at the same time. Same you have to repeat it in the other day also. Now this is the third day. My wine is ready. Now strain the wine with the help of a strainer. You can strain this twice or thrice so that you will get a clear wine. So it's ready. Before using it, refrigerate the wine. It will increase the taste. I have refrigerated it for 2 to 3 hours. Now the wine is ready to serve. You can store this wine in a glass bottle. Try at least once, you will make it always. Do reply in the comment box how the wine was. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.